Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Planarista 101, and today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all. And it is going to be for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. This was my last week. Well, this week. I'm planning on it as we speak. And I'm filming a little bit in advance. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and grab those pages, and what I'm using today is this special kit from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. She has such a cute stickers, you guys. Her art is so beautiful. This got wet, so that's okay. So we're gonna work with it. But look how pretty her art is, right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start. I don't know, I'm gonna lay these out in front of me so I can see all of my options. There's a lot of this. Okay, what do I want to do first? Because these are paper, maybe I can start with putting this like right here and covering that little stupid saying that I don't like. And then maybe we can put this little plant on top of it so we can live on this table, right? Yes. Okay, let's do one on Sunday too. I hate writing in this spot, so let's put a plant. That's the best way to go. Let's see, what plant can I put up there? Oh, maybe this one. Okay, my little baby, you're gonna sit up here. Oh no, that doesn't look good. Let me slowly pull it up. Maybe like that. Maybe this is not the right plant for this table. Okay. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, thank you so much for joining me again. I think that looks good. Okay, let's keep going. I really like this. Okay, let's hang some plants from above. Maybe like in between days so I can still use them. Wouldn't that be good? Okay. Now, maybe I should put some checklists down so this way I can actually have functional spread, right? Okay. Let's see. Maybe black. And if not black, then green. See how that looks. No, black it is. I love green and black together, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. Okay, 7 of these, as always. Thank the Lord for Check It Off sticker book, seriously. I'm like murdering these pages with how much I use them, but that's what they're here for, right? I could always buy more books. At least that's what I tell myself. I'm no longer a sticker hoarder. I use them. Okay. I'm gonna kind of put them all over. Play with the position a little. Let's put one up here. Let's put one down here. One up here. And then one down here. Okay. So, because I made... Oh, this is a big one. Okay. It's not hoarding if it's plants. And I do have a lot of plants in my house, you guys. This is kind of big. Let me see if I can like only slightly cut it down. Let's see. Is that better? Yes. Okay, awesome. Perfect. Okay, let me put that away. Let's put this little baby right here. Okay. I need boxes. I need boxes. I'm just gonna use my black book since I use the black boxes, the black checklist. So I'm gonna do 4 of these for a work schedule. And then a couple boxes for other stuff. So let's see. I used all of these. I think I want bigger ones. Are these half boxes? Okay. So let's use one like this for Sunday because I have an event to go to. And then let me add these for my work schedule. So let's add that one right here. This one. This one. And this one. Okay, that's good. Then Friday, I have multiple things. So I'm gonna add smaller boxes. It's kind of fun to do this if you have like a full week schedule and you know what you're doing. So I have a couple things and then a small thing as well. So let's add a small box. Awesome. Then I need, maybe not this, maybe a bigger one for here. Maybe like this half size. Let's see how that would look. It's okay. Okay, back to decorating. I love this spread already, you guys. It is so like fun. I could have used these, but I didn't. Okay, let's edit these plants to both sides. And if I do it right, I can cut off the part that I ruined. But these are so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do it from here to here. Perfect. See, that worked out better than I could have hoped for. And then on this side, same thing. So we're gonna start from this line up here and go to the table. So I'm gonna cut it off right here. Look how cute. Yeah, super excited about this spread. Like I said, her images are super gorgeous. I'm gonna add this little, I don't know if I want to introduce gray today. Maybe not. Maybe just the browns and the greens. Okay, let's see. There's like a small space. Oh, if I can move this down. Can I do that here? Would that look okay? Yeah, I think that's okay. I think that looks good. Let's add this right here. Let's root for each other. Let's see. Excuse me. Okay, maybe I can add this little plant right here. Look how adorable. And then I just need one little plant left. Okay, I still have a lot of stickers left, and I love it. And I really love how this spread came out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna add maybe a box up here for like all of my to-dos for the week. Maybe not, I will see. And I might add a quote here. But other than that, I am all done. Let me add all of this back into my planner. I hope you guys had fun making this with me. I had a blast making it with you. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.